Hello and welcome again. In this lecture, we will explore how the internet works. Essentially, the internet is a network of interconnected computers or nodes communicating with each other using communication protocols. Regarding communication protocols, two key concepts are vital: network communication protocols and internet protocols. Interestingly, individuals often get confused between these two concepts. Now, let us learn the difference between network communication protocols and internet protocols. Network communication protocols refer to a broader category of rules and conventions that govern how data is formatted, transmitted, and received across computer networks. These protocols enable communication between various devices on a network, facilitating the exchange of information. On the other hand, Internet protocols specifically pertain to the protocols used for communication over the Internet. The Internet is a global network of interconnected networks, and it employs a set of standardized protocols to ensure seamless communication between devices and systems. Common Internet protocols include TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol, UDP User Datagram Protocol, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and others. In summary, Internet protocols are a subset of network communication protocols, and the network communication protocols encompass a broader range of protocols used in various types of networks, not just limited to the Internet. Now, let us talk about network communication protocols. Network communication protocols define a set of rules and conventions that govern how data is transmitted and received over a network. You should know that there are various categories of network communication protocols, and OSI and TCP/IP are two of them that are important from a Web 2 development point of view. Moving ahead, OSI Open Systems Interconnection and TCP/IP are both conceptual models that outline the structure and functionality of network communication protocols, providing a framework for understanding and implementing communication in computer networks. In particular, OSI is a conceptual model that standardizes the functions of a telecommunications or computing system into 7 abstraction layers. It serves as a guideline for designing and understanding network architectures. On the other hand, TCP/IP is a practical and widely used networking architecture that encompasses a suite of protocols. It defines a set of rules for data communication on the Internet and is the foundational model for the modern Internet. Notably, the OSI model has 7 layers, while the TCP/IP model has 4 layers, simplifying the understanding of networking concepts. In summary, both OSI and TCP/IP models are frameworks that categorize and organize the protocols used for network communication, providing a structured approach to designing, implementing, and troubleshooting computer networks. Lastly, it's important to note that in the OSI model, the network layer primarily manages Internet protocols, while in the TCP/IP model, the responsibility falls on the Internet layer. Stay tuned as we decode the mysteries of how the Internet works.